with the side button. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do extra stuff with this side button other than turning on Siri, taking a screenshot, or turning off your phone. So first you click on settings and you scroll down until you see the accessibility. You click on that and you scroll all the way down. The very last one, accessibility shortcut, right there, you click on there. So then it says you can click on any of these, like classic introvert, to make it work when you click the side button 3 times in a row. But it doesn't turn it on automatically. So if you don't want classic introvert as it, you just click on it to turn it off for the side button and turn it on for the side button. To start it, you have to click on this side button 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then this pops up. You can do like classic invert, which makes it like this. Then to turn that feature off, you click on the side 3 times and then click classic invert to turn it off. That's all for this video. Bye!